Hey guys, my name is Gracie from the Podium AI team, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to make your AI employee a better employee. We're going to be showing you the different types of ways that you can fine tune your AI employee and how to also work with them better cohesively in the inbox. So we can see here that we have a web chat. This is for an auto dealer. Someone messages in saying, "Hey, I want a new SUV." We can see that Jerry, who we call our AI employee in the automotive vertical here at Podium, immediately responded to the lead and is keeping that lead warm. Jerry has two things that he keeps in mind. One, be helpful and answer questions. And two, to get this customer in for a test drive. And so he's giving me the customer a couple more details about the SUVs. And then you can see later down on the conversation that they're trying to schedule a test drive. And so we can see that the customer said, "Hey, let's do 10 a.m. on Thursday." And Jerry's got that scheduled. He is scheduled his test drive, and he then sends a notification to anyone who has those notifications turned on saying, "Hey, you've got a test drive scheduled, and I'll show you where to turn on those notifications later." Now let's talk about if Jerry or your AI employee said something inaccurate or something that didn't fit for your guys' business. What you can do here, when you hover over an AI assistant message, you can click this little feedback flag, and this will submit feedback straight to our AI support team. And based off that feedback, it'll go to our engineers and we will triage that accordingly. So you're going to select what type of impact it had, low or high. And some feedback could be, "Hey, the vehicle mentioned was actually sold," or like wrong inventory details. Jerry said the interior was red, but really it was black, things like that. And so I highly recommend submitting feedback. This is the best way to help fine tune your employee, right? So Jerry doesn't always know the correct thing to say. And so helping him by giving him some feedback is going to help him in the future. The second place we can help Jerry's brain or knowledge about your business grow is brand new. It's on our settings page under AI employee, under instant answers. We can see that Jerry now has access to a whole list of FAQs that are specific to your guys' business, which is awesome. So a couple examples of this are, "Hey, can I purchase a vehicle online?" And their answer is no. So if Jerry got asked this question, he would say no. All of our vehicles must be purchased in person. Another one is, "Hey, can I trade in my current vehicle?" You could drop in your dealership's KBB instant trade-in link, and Jerry will send your customers to that part of your website and they can get their instant trade-in estimate. So Jerry can do links, which is super awesome. Just taking a deeper look at this page, you can switch it from organization if you guys have a FAQ that gets asked between all locations and that makes sense, or you can select which location it works for and you can turn them on and off, which is super nice. So I recommend utilizing this page where if you see that Jerry got asked a question that he didn't know how to answer or gave an incorrect answer, and if it's a pretty cut and dry thing like, "Do you deliver vehicles? How do I apply for a car lease?" I recommend coming in here and adding in the question that your customer asked. Next time when Jerry is asked that question, he has the right answer in his head and his brain, and he will respond accordingly. Sweet. Next, I want to talk about AI notifications. So you can do email or push notifications, desktop, and you want to turn on these AI notifications. So when Jerry schedules a test drive or needs help from a manager, you'll get a notification to your email inbox saying, "Hey, Jerry needs help with this conversation." And then you'll be able to hop in and help answer the customer's question or get that lead moving further along. Thanks, guys.